Всем привет! Hello everyone! Welcome back to Russian for Beginners with Marina. Do you know when Facebook was launched? Or when the first video was uploaded to YouTube? You will learn the answers to these questions among everything else you do today. First of all, we will continue counting in Russian. Hang on there, we have 2 more lessons and we will be done with numbers in Russian. Today we will talk about numbers from 20 to 100. Let's count from 1 to 10 really quickly at first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we need one more before we continue. 20. The rest is all very easy in Russian. 21, 21, 21, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, as easy as it gets. Now, 30, 30. It is just like 20, 30. 40 is a different story though. It comes out of nowhere. For 40, we say 40. 40. It's gonna get easier now. Say a number and add 10. 50, 60, 70, 80. 90 is different there. Yes, again. 90. 90. And finally, 100. 100. The rest is going to be super easy. Let's practice a bit. How old is Facebook? Facebook was launched in 2004, so it is 15 years old. 15. 15. When was the first YouTube video uploaded? Me at the Zoo was the first video uploaded to YouTube in 2005. So, it is 14 years old. 14. 14. Let's go further down the history lane. When was the internet invented? A bit difficult to answer that one precisely, but let's round it up to 1970. So it will make the internet 49 years old. 49. 49. And one more very important invention in my opinion, chocolate chip cookies. Apparently, they were invented by accident in 1937, which makes it 82 years old. 82. 82. Amazing! That was great. We will be back to these numbers when we get to how to say your age lesson. But for now, увидимся. Всем пока!